Hey ladies, it's Brian Hagenhoff. I just wanted to show you real quick how to sign up for the subscription to get automatic monthly flyers. So you'll go to TOT, you'll sign in, you'll go to your virtual office, and you'll go to home, then you'll go to subscriptions. Once here, it'll come up to your website and monthly flyers. So you'll just go to manage, and yours may look a little different if you don't have it already. So then I think you can just like add the monthly special auto ship flyers. They're $3.50 a month. I think it's well worth it because then you don't have to print them, and they're nice copies, and they are sent to you way before time. So it's a great option. Hope that helps. Bye.